Okay, so this is a tutorial on actually learning all of the things that you've seen online on internet with help of AI assistant. Basically, I'm going to be using Google AI Studio to start with, and in this we will be going ahead and choosing the playground option. In playground option, you have a lot of other models available. I'll be choosing the real time model and then the basic model, which is Gemini 3.1 Flash or live preview, right? Now, let me just get started. In today's class, we will be learning what is the overview, like the understanding what is the Facebook Ads Manager, right? So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go to account overview first, and I'm going to go to campaigns menu where we can see all of the previous campaigns, and we'll start chatting with the Google AI assistant right now. Okay, I'm recording this only for the educational purposes. Thank you. Hi, I would like an overview of the Facebook Ads Manager.
Facebook Ads Manager is basically the command center for running ads on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network. You can create campaigns, set your budget, choose your target audience, and track performance all in one place. Is there a specific aspect of it you wanted to know more about?
Okay, let me just share my screen right away. I want to show you, the Ads Manager I'm, working with. I want you to help me with trying to create an ad here.
I understand you'd like to share your screen, but I can't actually view that. However, if you can describe what you're seeing, like which step you're on, I can definitely walk you through the process verbally. Are you starting a new campaign, working on an ad set, or creating the actual ad content?
Okay, guide me through from the main menu. I'm on the Ads Manager menu right now. If you can see on the screen.
Okay, assuming you're on the main Ads Manager dashboard, you should see a prominent green button that says Create. Clicking that will start the process. After that, it'll ask you to choose an objective for your campaign, and then you'll move on to the ad set level. Is that what you're seeing?
Yes.
Great. So once you've picked your objective, like traffic or conversions, you'll define your audience, set your budget and schedule, and choose where you want the ads to appear at the ad set level. After that is where you design the actual ad itself with images, videos, and text. Does that make sense for the flow?
Yes.
Perfect. So, right now, focus on picking the campaign objective that best fits your goal. What are you trying to achieve with this ad?
I'm trying to create awareness, basically trying to spread a word about my brand launch of a coffee shop. It's for the educational purposes that we're doing this.
For brand awareness or reach, picking the awareness objective is usually a good start. That helps you reach people who are most likely to recall your ad. Since it's for educational purposes and a brand launch, showcasing some great visuals of your coffee shop would be effective. Is there a particular aspect of the launch you want to highlight?
Nothing. I'm just done creating
Since you're done with your campaign setup, the final step is usually to hit the publish button. Facebook will then review your ad to make sure it meets their policies. Once it's approved, it'll start showing to your audience. Was there anything else you needed to check before you make it live?
I'm on a ad set level. I've just come on a to create a campaign name here. I've taken a name. If you can see, can you read the name for me?
I still can't see your screen, but if you read the name to me, I can confirm it's in there. What did you decide to call your campaign?
I'm just using it as a new ads test. Okay, give me a moment here. Let me just do work on this and give you a heads up.
No problem at all. Take your time to name it and let me know when you're ready to move on to the next step, which would be defining your audience. Just let me know how you want to proceed.
All right, now I think you are able to see the screen, right? So, can you guide me through the process of creating a campaign from the overview that you see here, right here? I've selected a name already.
I see you've named it New Ads Test, and the campaign objective is set to awareness, which is perfect for your goal. Right now, you can scroll down to define your budget and schedule. You'll also decide where you want the ads to run, placements. After that, you'll move to the ad set level to create the actual content. Does that make sense for the next steps?
Yes. Should I skip the special ad categories that I see on my screen?
Special ad categories are for ads that are about credit, employment, housing, or social issues, politics, or elections. Since you're advertising for a coffee shop launch, you likely won't need to select any of those. You can just skip that section and proceed to the next step, which is defining your audience. Are you ready to move on?
Yes.
Okay, you've progressed to the ad set level, and I see your performance goal is set to maximize reach of ads. Next, you'll need to make sure you've selected the correct Facebook page for your coffee shop. Then you can define your audience, set your budget, and choose your placements. Are those things you're seeing on your screen now?
Yes, I think we are good here. I have seen how been, helpful on having me go through this, but I'm gonna give it a try myself and connect back with you after some time on this if I have any doubts. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. That sounds like a great plan. Feel free to take your time through the rest of the setup and definitely come back if you run into any questions. Good luck with the launch.
Thank you.